Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trying out this carbon off spray on this pan, see how much we can clean it off. I've tried this in the past on some really old pans and it ended up stripping off kind of this copper paint or whatever covering they put on the pans. I think my problem was last time I left it on too long. So I'm going to spray it on, I'm going to follow the directions. I think they say, see how long they say to leave it on for. They say 15 minutes to 5 hours, depending on the thickness. I think I left it on overnight last time. So I think I'll try, like 30 minutes or so this time, and we'll see how it goes. That should be a thick enough covering. There's a little bit on the back too. Alright guys, so kind of disappointing. It did eat up all the paint, which I did say happened before. I thought this might be a little bit different since this was a different pan. Again, you can see this is just chipping off. I could pretty much scrape all this off if I wanted to. So again, guys, wouldn't recommend this on any kind of colored pan. I would only use it on like a pan like this, which is, just plain steel or aluminum, because they say it's safe on aluminum. And I'll put a link down below if you guys are interested for using it for that kind of purpose. But again, if you got paint on your, or any kind of color on your pans, don't use this product. Try something else. Put something down in the comments that you would recommend. If you like this video, you found it helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe, comment. I appreciate all that stuff. And I'll catch you all next time.